What are you doing, Sammy?
I'm seeing the bird carefully.
What is the bird doing?
So this
Drinking.
drinking water.
What happened to the bird?
He's he's sick
Why?
because his mama and papa want to clean it. And Daddy and Daddy want to hospital.
Okay. Now what will you do for the bird?
I will take the bird and I will
You will care the bird.
care the bird.
You will not kill the bird.
No, I will not kill the bird.
Okay.
I will care the bird.
Okay.
Daddy,
अब जाना आगे इसमें देखना
I don't want the bird to.
ये लोग तो साथ साथ
I don't want the bird to.
bird is very hungry.
I don't.
Sammy, do you like the bird?
Yes. But it's so sick.
Yeah. So sick.
Kalu, what are you doing?
I'm giving milk to the bird.
What?
So cute.
And soft and tasty
It's very soft.
and tasty.
इतना दूर से नहीं आएगा.
Mama.
Okay.
Sit. Properly. Wait.